Hello everyone, if you've been using ChatGPT for a little while, well, I have a really fun challenge for you. Right now, go in, ask it this prompt. From all of our interactions, what is one thing you can tell me about myself that I might not know about myself? It is a great way to see how well the AI is understanding you, and maybe you're going to uncover something surprising. So let me show you how this works. I'm going to type in that prompt and let's see what ChatGPT has to say about me. So let me show you how this works. I'm going to actually type in that prompt right in the message box here and see what ChatGPT has to say about me. So from all of our interactions, what is one thing that you can tell me about myself that I might not know about myself? Let's just see what comes up. Here we go. One insight you might not fully recognize is your ability to blend emotional intelligence with practical AI strategies. You've cultivated a unique approach that not only addresses the technical aspects of AI, but also emphasizes the mindset and emotional barriers that entrepreneurs face when adopting new technologies. This combination sets you apart in your field and positions you as a supportive guide for those feeling overwhelmed or anxious about AI, making your offerings particularly valuable and relatable. Well, there you go. As you can see, the AI analyzes our past conversations to offer some insights. It's like having a mini self-reflection section with a digital buddy. This is not only a fun exercise, but it really helps you as well to think about your interests, your habits in a new way. Plus, it's actually an engaging way to interact with AI and see its capabilities in action. So if you're wondering what I do, well, now you know. Try it out yourself and let me know in the comments what surprising things you discover. See you next time.